Hey guys, today on the channel we're going to be replacing the seat belts in the back seat of our 66 Mustang, so stick around if you'd like to see how I did it. Alright guys, so first things first, in order to get these rear seat belts replaced, we're going to need to pop out the back seat, which it should just lift up and out, and then we can access the bolts underneath the seat. Alright guys, so to remove these seat belts, we're going to have a 13/16 bolt right here that you have to take out, and then there's also going to be one over here in the corner to take out as well, and then the same is going to go for the side over here on the passenger side. You're going to have one right here, and then you're going to have one over in the corner over there. Alright guys, so here is the new seat belt. This is just going to be a generic 60-inch seat belt that we have here from my local Mustang shop. It's got the aircraft style latch, which I like, and it does come with some new hardware. I don't think I'm going to use this new hardware though, however, because these bolts are bigger than the existing holes in the car, so I'll probably just reuse my existing hardware to bolt these in with. Alright, so here we're going to pop out the old one right here, and we will put the new one in right in its place. Alright guys, so there we go. We got our new seat belts installed and ready to go. Alright guys, so that is how you replace the rear seat belts in your 66 Mustang. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It greatly helps out. And we'll see you in the next project. Thank you.